1. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price: $7,000. Located Lynchburg, Virginia. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova is offered as a dedicated roller and project platform, ideal for builders looking to complete a serious drag-oriented machine. The car is being sold with no title, making it best suited for track use or as a race-focused build. Structurally, it is set up with performance in mind and already features a strong 9-inch rear end designed to handle substantial horsepower. Out back, it rides on aggressive 33/16/15 slicks, giving it the proper stance and traction expected from an old-school strip car. The suspension setup includes traditional leaf springs paired with traction bars, a classic and proven drag racing combination that delivers straight-line stability and hard launches. This Nova provides a solid foundation for someone planning to drop in their preferred engine and transmission combination. Whether building a small block, big block, or modern powerplant swap, the chassis is ready for the next phase of customization. The body presents as a used but good condition project, making it an affordable entry point into classic American drag racing builds. With its strong rear end, race-ready stance, and straightforward setup, this Nova is a practical choice for racers or enthusiasts seeking a budget-friendly muscle car platform. Seller is open to reasonable offers and may consider trades. 2. 1982 Chevrolet Camaro. Price: $3,500. Located Harrisonville, Pennsylvania. This 1982 Chevrolet Camaro is a purpose-built drag car designed strictly for the strip. It is already set up to accept a turbo 350 transmission and a small block Chevy engine, making it a straightforward project for racers who have a drivetrain ready to install. The car is fully gutted, emphasizing weight reduction and race-focused performance rather than street comfort. This is not a street cruiser, but a dedicated race platform built for launching hard and running consistent passes. The chassis is prepared for competitive use, allowing a buyer to simply drop in a motor and transmission combination and head to the track. It comes with a title, adding value and flexibility compared to many race-only builds. Additional parts are included with the sale, giving the next owner useful components to complete or refine the setup. Condition is listed as used and good, reflecting a solid race foundation rather than a show car finish. This Camaro offers an affordable entry into drag racing with a proven body style and lightweight third-generation platform. Seller is firm about serious buyers only and is not interested in trades. It is a practical and budget-friendly opportunity for anyone ready to build a competitive bracket or heads-up drag machine. 3. 1979 Ford Mustang Pace Car. Price: $16,000. Located Holden, Missouri. This 1979 Ford Mustang Pace Car Edition is a clean and well-preserved example of the early Fox body platform. Powered by a 302 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this Mustang blends classic late 1970s styling with dependable small block performance. Showing 128,000 miles, the car remains in very good condition and carries a clean title. It has had 3 or more previous owners and is fully paid off. Finished in silver with a black interior, this Pace Car Edition stands out with its distinctive appearance and factory-inspired design. The seller notes that the vehicle has no rust, a significant advantage for collectors seeking solid Fox body examples. Recent maintenance includes new window weather stripping and new sunroof weather stripping, helping preserve the cabin from leaks and wind noise. The vehicle has no significant damage or mechanical problems reported, making it a ready-to-drive classic. Original wheels and tires are included with the sale, offering added value for enthusiasts who prefer maintaining factory authenticity. This Mustang presents an excellent opportunity to own a clean early Fox body with iconic pace car heritage, suitable for weekend cruising, car shows, or continued preservation. Seller is firm and not interested in trades. 4. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RSSS. Price: $20,000. Located Wentzville, Missouri. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RSSS is a serious muscle car with strong performance upgrades while retaining its original high-performance roots. Originally equipped as a 325 horsepower 396 4-speed car, it now features a powerful 454 big block engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. This combination delivers substantial torque and straight-line capability, making it well-suited for street or strip performance use. The rear suspension has been upgraded with a ladder bar setup and welded subframe connectors, improving rigidity and traction under hard acceleration. Out back sits a Dana 60 rear end equipped with aggressive 5.13 gears, built to handle high horsepower launches and competitive racing conditions. The car includes 2 sets of rear tires and wheels, offering flexibility for street cruising or track duty. It also comes with 2 hoods, giving the next owner styling or clearance options. Condition is listed as used and good, reflecting a performance-focused classic rather than a fully restored show vehicle. This Camaro combines desirable RSSS heritage with substantial drivetrain upgrades, creating a strong foundation for a muscle car enthusiast seeking power and presence. Seller may consider trade for a late 1920s to early 1930s coupe. 5. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Price: $29,000. Located Wright City, Missouri. This 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS began life as a Malibu 307 and has since been transformed into a serious race-oriented machine with the flexibility to be returned to street duty. Powered by a strong 383 roller engine featuring a Shafarov rotating assembly, this Chevelle delivers dependable high-performance capability. The engine is paired with a Transmission Specialties Pro Tree Glide automatic transmission, designed specifically for consistent drag strip launches and bracket racing reliability. Out back, the car runs a 12-bolt rear end equipped with aggressive 4.56 gears, giving it the proper ratio for hard acceleration and quarter-mile performance. An electric shifter setup enhances control at the track, allowing precise gear changes under racing conditions. The overall build reflects a focus on competitive performance, while still retaining the iconic body lines that made the 1970 Chevelle one of the most desirable muscle cars of its era. Condition is listed as used and good, and the title is in hand. The body maintains classic Chevelle styling with a strong presence whether at the track or on the street. This vehicle offers the opportunity to own a legendary platform with upgraded internals and race-ready components, making it ideal for enthusiasts seeking power, authenticity, and proven strip capability in one package. 6. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price: $22,000. Located Mt. Vernon, Illinois. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is offered as a roller-less engine, transmission, and converter, providing a solid and professionally prepared race chassis ready for your preferred power combination. Finished in orange with a black interior, the car shows 99,999 miles and is configured for big block Chevy power and a Powerglide transmission setup. It features a Dana 60 rear end with 4.56 gears and a ladder bar suspension system designed for maximum traction and straight-line stability. The car is equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes and rack and pinion steering, enhancing control and stopping performance. In 2025, it received significant upgrades including a complete rewire, MSD Digital 7 Plus ignition system, Biondo 550 delay box with digital delay board, new rear brake kit, new axles, tubular upper and lower control arms, radiator, and transmission cooler. These improvements demonstrate careful preparation for serious drag racing use. The seller prefers to sell the car as a rolling chassis, but offers the option of a turnkey setup with a Panhandle Performance 565 engine that produced 1080 horsepower on gasoline with a 1050 carburetor. Currently fitted with Ron's Terminator injection and a Reed Powerglide with 5500 converter, this Camaro presents a high-level race foundation for serious competitors. 7. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS. Price: $34,000. Located O'Fallon, Illinois. This 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS has undergone a comprehensive frame-off restoration and is built with both strip performance and weekend cruising in mind. Powered by a 355 cubic inch V8 based on a 350 block that has been bored and built, it features a 1970 LT 1550 comp cam solid roller setup designed for high RPM power. A fuel cell is mounted in the trunk, supporting its race-inspired configuration. The engine is paired with a TKO 600 transmission controlled by a Hurst 5-speed shifter, and a new streetable clutch has been installed for improved drivability. The body is rust-free with fiberglass fenders, hood, and trunk lid for weight reduction. It rides on American racing wheels with 275/60 R15 Intio 5 drag radials in the rear and 195/60 R15 front tires. Disc brakes are installed front and rear, and the car is line lock ready. Rear airbags allow preload and stance adjustment. Inside, the cabin features bucket seats up front and a rear bench, maintaining comfort while preserving a clean appearance. With low miles since completion and a clean title, this Chevelle blends authentic muscle styling with serious drag capability. 8. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $4,500. Located Magnolia, Arkansas. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova is offered as a rolling drag car chassis, making it an ideal foundation for racers looking to complete a competitive strip build. With only 350 miles shown on the current setup, this project is configured specifically for performance use. It features a strong Dana 60 rear end paired with QA1 coilovers, delivering improved suspension control and launch stability. Tubular control arms further enhance strength and weight reduction, supporting serious horsepower applications. The car is set up for a small block Chevy engine and Powerglide transmission combination, a classic and proven drag racing formula known for reliability and consistency. A delay box is already installed, allowing precise reaction time tuning for bracket racing. This Nova does not include an ignition box or coil, giving the next owner flexibility to choose their preferred electronics package. It is being sold with no title, indicating it is best suited for track use or off-road competition. Finished in blue, the body presents as a straightforward race platform rather than a restored street car. This Nova provides an affordable entry into classic muscle-based drag racing, with key suspension and rear-end components already in place. It is a practical choice for builders seeking a lightweight, purpose-built chassis ready for final assembly and track duty. 9. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Price, $7,000. Located Wood River, Illinois. This 1992 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a California car powered by a strong 383-stroker engine with fuel injection, delivering impressive street and strip performance. Showing 74,000 miles, this black exterior coupe with gray interior offers a balance of classic early 1990s muscle styling and upgraded power. The engine is paired with a built automatic transmission and a 2,800 stall converter, providing aggressive acceleration while maintaining drivability. The car rides on weld rims and features a tight suspension setup, enhancing traction and handling stability. Built to move and definitely not slow, this Z28 delivers the kind of performance enthusiasts expect from a properly assembled stroker combination. It retains air conditioning, currently bypassed with a smaller belt, offering the option for restoration of full functionality if desired. Fuel economy is rated at 15 miles per gallon city and 23 highway, typical for a performance-oriented V8 of its era. The interior includes a stereo system, adding modern convenience to this classic third-generation Camaro platform. With a clean appearance and strong drivetrain upgrades, this Z28 is a solid opportunity for buyers seeking affordable American performance with documented mileage and proven power. 10. 1970 Ford Mustang Fastback. Price, $25,000. Located Johnson City, Tennessee. This 1970 Ford Mustang Fastback is a very solid and well-built performance car featuring a powerful 408-stroker engine producing approximately 550 horsepower. Previously run in the 6.50 to 6.80 bracket depending on track conditions and tuning, this Mustang is a serious contender for drag racing enthusiasts. The engine is paired with a Roller C4 transmission equipped with a trans brake and 5,000 stall converter, ensuring aggressive launches and consistent performance. The rear features a narrowed 9-inch spool with 4.56 gears and strange axles, supported by a 4-link rear suspension with ladder bar setup. It also includes mounts for wheelie bars, further highlighting its track-ready configuration. Disc brakes are installed on all 4 corners for dependable stopping power. The car is back-halved with tubs to accommodate slicks and shows no rust from top to bottom, including torque boxes and floors. Finished in red with a black interior, it carries a clean title and remains in very good condition. This Mustang presents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a high horsepower classic with proven track capability and strong structural integrity. 11. 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price: $23,000. Located Sandy Hook, Kentucky. This 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air is a turnkey performance build powered by a 454 big block Chevy engine. The drag-oriented motor has approximately 500 miles since completion and has been fully built for strong and reliable output. Designed as a dedicated drag car for many years, this Bel Air combines classic early 1960s styling with serious straight-line performance. Finished in red with a white interior, the car shows 47,500 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It carries a clean title and is fully paid off, offering peace of mind for the next owner. The vehicle is described as having no significant damage or problems, making it ready to drive and enjoy immediately. The 454 big block setup delivers the deep torque and aggressive sound expected from a properly built drag motor. While specific internal details are not fully listed, it is noted that many extras are included, reflecting extensive performance preparation over the years. This Bel Air stands out with its timeless body lines and race-proven drivetrain, offering collectors and racers a classic full-size Chevrolet with authentic muscle car presence and dependable power ready for street or strip use.